Welcome to an exciting journey of health discovery. Did you know that our kidneys, the incredible filters of our bodies, work tirelessly to process over 150 liters of blood every day? But are we truly taking care of them properly? If you're curious about how to help your kidneys function better and stay healthy without medication, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll explore 9 special fruits that can quickly cleanse and boost kidney health. Stay with me until the end of the video. You might be surprised by the final fruit. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries contain special compounds called proanthocyanidins. These compounds help prevent bacteria, particularly E. coli, from adhering to the lining of the urinary tract and kidneys. This offers several benefits. It can help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which are a common cause of kidney inflammation and impaired kidney function. Cranberries act as a natural protective layer. They also reduce the burden on your kidneys by preventing bacterial growth, allowing your kidneys to work more efficiently. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants like quercetin, vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E, which can help neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells, including those in the kidneys. Protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, a major factor in inflammation and chronic kidney disease, and boost overall kidney health by protecting kidney cells from damage. Fresh blueberries or pure, unsweetened blueberry juice are excellent choices. However, it's best to consume blueberries in moderation, as excessive intake may cause stomach discomfort or increase the risk of oxalate stone formation in some individuals. 2. Blueberries are packed with polyphenols and anthocyanins, important antioxidants. These compounds offer several benefits for your kidneys. Neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are a major cause of cell damage, including kidney cells. The antioxidants in blueberries help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Preventing chronic inflammation. Anthocyanins have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the risk of kidney inflammation, especially in chronic kidney diseases. Protecting kidney cells. By reducing oxidative damage and inflammation, blueberries help maintain the function of your kidney cells. Cranberries offer a natural defense against chronic kidney disease, CKD. Their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help combat factors that contribute to kidney decline. Additionally, cranberries, like blueberries, can prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, indirectly protecting the kidneys from infections. Cranberries offer a natural defense against chronic kidney disease, CKD. Their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help combat factors that contribute to kidney decline. Additionally, cranberries, like blueberries, can prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, indirectly protecting the kidneys from infections. 3. Apples are approximately 85% water, providing essential hydration for your body, particularly important for kidney function. They can help boost urine production, as the water in apples aids in filtering waste and eliminating toxins through urination, reducing the burden on your kidneys. Good hydration also helps dissolve minerals in urine, lowering the risk of kidney stone formation. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, particularly pectin, which offers numerous health benefits. Pectin helps remove harmful toxins, such as heavy metals, mercury, lead, and bad cholesterol, through the digestive system, reducing the burden on the kidneys. A healthy digestive system aids in efficient waste removal, lessening the strain on the kidneys. The fiber in apples slows down sugar absorption, contributing to stable blood sugar levels and protecting the kidneys from damage caused by high blood sugar. Apples are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, quercetin, and polyphenols, which offer several health benefits. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, protecting kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, a major contributor to inflammation and impaired kidney function. By reducing inflammation and long-term kidney damage, these antioxidants may also help prevent chronic kidney disease. Opt for organic apples. While the skin of apples is packed with nutrients, it can also contain pesticide residue. Organic apples are a healthier choice. Limit sugary apple juice. Commercial apple juice often contains high amounts of sugar, which is not beneficial for overall health and kidney function. 4. Cherries possess mild diuretic properties, which can aid in promoting kidney cleansing. They increase urine production, supporting the kidneys in efficiently eliminating toxins and waste from the body. This helps prevent the accumulation of toxins, maintaining a clean kidney environment and reducing the risk of kidney stone formation or other issues related to waste buildup. Cherries are packed with important antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, catechins, and flavonoids, which offer significant benefits for your kidneys. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing damage to kidney cells caused by oxidative stress, a major contributor to declining kidney function. By combating oxidative stress damage, cherries help protect your kidneys from chronic kidney diseases. Cherries can help reduce uric acid levels in the blood, which can prevent the formation of urate crystals in the kidneys. They also improve kidney filtration by reducing inflammation and increasing blood flow, enhancing the body's ability to remove waste products. Fresh cherries are the best choice. Avoid canned or dried products that have added sugar, as excess sugar can be harmful to your kidneys and overall health. Be mindful of your intake. While cherries are beneficial, excessive consumption can lead to digestive issues. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, vitamin C, and ellagic acid, which offer a range of health benefits. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells, including kidney cells. By protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to inflammation and impaired kidney function, strawberries may help prevent long-term kidney damage and related conditions like chronic kidney disease, CKD. Strawberries are rich in ellagic acid and polyphenols, which possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation can harm kidney cells and tissues, affecting their ability to filter waste products. By reducing inflammation, strawberries can help support kidney health and recovery. The anti-inflammatory compounds in strawberries can also help reduce the burden on the kidneys, particularly in cases of kidney damage or weakness. Fresh strawberries are the best choice. Avoid processed strawberry products like jams or syrups, which are high in sugar. Wash thoroughly before eating. Strawberries can have pesticide residue, so choose organic strawberries if possible. Monitor your intake. People with chronic kidney disease should eat strawberries in moderation, as even though they have a low potassium content, excessive consumption can still have an impact. 6. Pineapples. Pineapples are unique in that they contain bromelain, a natural enzyme with several important benefits. Bromelain has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce chronic inflammation in the kidneys, a major cause of kidney dysfunction. Bromelain also supports tissue repair and reduces pain in cases of kidney injury or infection. By reducing inflammation, bromelain can help protect the kidneys from developing chronic diseases. Pineapples are approximately 86% water, making them a great source of hydration, which is crucial for maintaining kidney health. The water in pineapples helps your body flush out waste and toxins through urine, reducing the risk of buildup in your kidneys. Good hydration from regular pineapple consumption also helps dissolve minerals in urine, lowering the risk of kidney stone formation. Pineapple is a rich source of vitamin C, offering numerous health benefits. It strengthens the immune system, as vitamin C helps the body fight infections, including urinary tract infections, a common cause of kidney damage. Additionally, it helps prevent oxidative stress damage. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that protects kidney cells from free radical attack, reducing the risk of kidney function decline. Enjoy pineapple in moderation. Due to its high acidity, it's best to avoid excessive consumption if you have stomach issues. Opt for natural sweetness. Choose fresh pineapple over processed options like canned juice or dried pineapple, which often contain added sugars. Consult your doctor. If you have severe kidney disease or potassium metabolism issues, it's advisable to consult your doctor before incorporating pineapple into your diet regularly. 7. Watermelon. Watermelon is composed of 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits available. This offers several benefits for your kidneys. Increased urine production. The high water content assists your kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste products through urine. Prevention of kidney stones. Adequate hydration helps dissolve minerals in urine, reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Reduced kidney strain. When your body is well hydrated, your kidneys function more efficiently, preventing them from becoming overworked. Watermelon is a rich source of citrulline, a natural amino acid that offers several significant benefits. Citrulline is converted into arginine, which helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to the kidneys. This enhanced blood flow supports the kidneys' filtering function, enabling them to efficiently remove waste products and maintain internal balance. Improved circulation also contributes to lower blood pressure, a crucial factor in protecting kidney health. Watermelon is a rich source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your kidneys. Lycopene helps neutralize free radicals, reducing damage to kidney cells caused by oxidative stress. It also helps prevent kidney inflammation, as oxidative stress and inflammation are major contributors to kidney dysfunction. By reducing inflammation, lycopene helps protect your kidneys from long-term damage. Its antioxidant properties can help your kidneys avoid damage that could lead to chronic kidney disease. Enjoy watermelon in moderation. Consuming too much watermelon can lead to overhydration or a slight increase in blood sugar levels. Choose fresh watermelon. Avoid bottled watermelon juice, which may contain added sugar or preservatives. Consult your doctor. If you have severe kidney disease, consult your doctor before adding watermelon to your diet. 8. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are among the richest sources of antioxidants, including vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and protects the kidneys from bacteria and infections. Flavonoids and L-argitannins, which neutralize free radicals and reduce kidney cell damage caused by oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney dysfunction. Pomegranates also help prevent chronic inflammation, with their antioxidants reducing the risk of kidney inflammation, particularly in chronic kidney disease, CKD. Pomegranates are rich in ellagic acid and L-argitannins, two compounds known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from long-term damage caused by chronic inflammation. By reducing inflammation, pomegranates can also help prevent the progression of chronic kidney disease. Pomegranates possess diuretic properties, which contribute to kidney cleansing by increasing urine output. This helps the kidneys eliminate toxins, waste products, and excess salts from the body. The natural diuretic effect also reduces the risk of kidney stone formation and other issues related to the accumulation of waste in the kidneys. Pomegranates can help maintain low uric acid levels, which is crucial for protecting your kidneys. They can help prevent uric acid stones, which form due to high uric acid levels. Pomegranates help maintain balanced uric acid levels, reducing the risk of crystallization in the kidneys. They also support the kidneys in eliminating uric acid by enhancing their filtering and excreting capabilities. It's best to limit your intake of sweetened pomegranate juice. Opt for fresh pomegranates or unsweetened juice to avoid unnecessary sugar intake. If you have severe kidney problems or high potassium levels, consult your doctor before adding pomegranates to your diet. Fresh pomegranates are the best choice to maximize the nutritional and antioxidant benefits. 9. Papaya papain, a naturally occurring enzyme found in papaya, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that offer numerous benefits for kidney health. It can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which can be caused by chronic inflammation and lead to tissue damage and impaired function. Papain also supports the repair of damaged kidney tissue by soothing and improving the affected areas, aiding in the regeneration of kidney cells. Papaya is a rich source of vitamins C and A, which can help protect your kidneys from harmful factors. These vitamins neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney dysfunction. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, the antioxidants in papaya can help protect your kidneys in the long term. Enjoy papaya in moderation. Eating too much papaya can cause indigestion. Consuming a reasonable amount allows you to maximize its benefits without experiencing side effects. Avoid unripe papaya. Unripe papaya can irritate the stomach or cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Consult your doctor. If you have chronic kidney disease or hyperkalemia, consult a healthcare professional before adding papaya to your diet. We've explored 9 fantastic fruits that naturally and effectively cleanse your kidneys. These fruits not only help eliminate toxins, but also protect your kidneys from future damage. Remember, healthy kidneys are the foundation of a healthy body. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more healthy living tips. Try incorporating these fruits into your daily diet and feel the difference. Thank you for watching until the end, and we'll see you in our next video.